tingnan mo yung ano.
Oh, maliwanag.
No, day no. Alas 4 pa, day no. Pero maliwanag na, day.
Parang mga alas 6 na, no?
How are you? Are you okay? Ano?
Yan. Gusto nyo na mag-swimming?
You want to swimming?
You want go with tita?
Ha? Let's go swimming.
Gusto nyo.
Baby, wala man na siya pang tabong.
Wala yan sa damit eh.
How about you don't have clothes? Not that one. After you go in the water. Ha? Wala ka man damit, be. Hmm?